Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are well on our way to 5,000. That's so crazy. Oh my god. I just thought I'd bring you guys along for today's vlog. Just gonna keep it simple, you know, hang out at the warehouse. Just came over here to kick it, checking out Josh's new car. So if you guys remember Josh, Red E30, he just got the biggest upgrade. He's been talking about like how he's been wanting power for so long, and now he is going to have a power build. He got such a sick car, and I wanted this car back then. It's just so expensive, but now I get to live vicariously through him.
What up, Foo?
What's up? Huh?
I'm excited to see your car, even though I've already seen it.
Which one?
Ooh. Alright guys, this is Josh's new fucking car. Damn. Bro, you have an IS too? Let's get it. Hey, let's see the start right here. Ooh, we got the stock F-Sport. We got the stock M exhaust. Yo, look at this interior though. This is the fattest upgrade. I don't think you've ever owned a car this new. No leather rips. You need to get a Porsche, man. You're blowing it. That's the superior German car. Yeah, dude, first mod or what?
Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like Josh's new car choice. He picked black too, which is the perfect color in my opinion.
So you're pretty much gonna grab your management from the E30 and slap it over there, huh? At the headquarters.
Josh got the car about like 3 days ago. Dude already broke his charge pipe. He got another stock one and just installed it so car's running smooth again. He already ordered parts. I would be paying the car off.
Home sweet home.
Oh my god, holy shit.
That was just the most sad.
My seatbelt already like tightened because it knows I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Shh.
Was it here?
Damn, your shit downshifts fast.
That's fucking so sick. Oh shit. Dude, it just felt like it just keeps going, like it pushes you and then it goes even further.
Damn, this exhaust sounds good.
Oh my god.
Hey, my work, what's up?
Dude, I swear I keep thinking we need to have like no cars in front of us.
Because I can't full press it with all these cars in small streets.
Holy shit, that feels so sick. Damn.
This is third gear right now.
I knew I picked the... Holy shit! Alright, I knew I picked the wrong car, but... Damn, I really picked the wrong car. No wonder why you kept like telling me to come feel this shit, because it feels sick as fuck.
But that's...
I kind of like had to grab the little handle 2 times.
Yeah,
just
it's
to...
easier for me because I'm holding the steering wheel, but I
Yeah.
don't know how it feels. I remember I tried it when my girl was driving it, and she half throttled for like a little bit, 0 to 60. I went so quick, and then she was too scared to drive it more.
Holy shit.
She stopped.
You're slow as fuck.
So I've been in a 335i stick shift, and I already thought that was quick, but I think this is faster.
Well, yeah, with
Because he was shifting himself, and obviously he was doing the best of his ability, but
yeah, DTC. Which is cool about this is that you can actually never over rev it. When you're driving in manual mode, so there's drive mode, which is your casual, and then you can also put in sports mode, and you can drive it in sports automatic. and then you could do full manual paddle shifts, and the DTC is super fast.
If you guys don't know, BMW is very fucking smart with they're a little too smart, and if there's any harm that's about to be done to the engine, it will just shift on its own. That car is so quick. So Josh just came up with this crazy idea. Josh, what are we about to do right now?
Drop off this car at my apartment.
But why?
So you can learn stick on the 830.
Holy, if you guys don't know, I don't know how to drive stick. A lot of people in my family know how to drive stick, almost everyone, but except me, because when we had stick shift cars, I was way too little, and my dad just never got another one, and he just didn't want to teach me. I'm actually really nervous, but I'm so excited because if I can learn how to drive stick today, I mean, I don't expect to master it, but if I can learn how to drive stick today, then that means the next car I get, I can get it stick. That is gonna be fucking tight. All right, guys, so we just made it to a spot. It's just regular parking lot, and I think Josh is gonna show me how to just get used to the pedals first, and then we'll go from there. 3 pedals. First thing people always tell me to do is check if it's in gear, and it's obviously not in gear. So what's reverse? Just push down?
No, reverse is the clutch. Just get used to pushing it in and out. Catching point is pretty low, so right there, and then once you start getting gas into it, you could let go pretty much. Clutch in.
Clutch, shift, gas.
Yeah, clutch in, change the gear, let go of the clutch, and then you gas.
Oh, thank you, Professor.
But the thing is, it sounds complicated, but like, you're gonna do it so quick, it becomes natural,
Okay.
and then it's one fluid motion, or just.
Okay.
In normal manual cars, it's pre-80 cars or pre-90 cars actually, they're special. So usually in a car, you would have to clutch in and hold the brake and then turn the
this one
car
is only
on.
clutch?
No, you actually don't even need it.
The brake?
Nope, so you can just turn on the car. In other cars, you would need to actually clutch in and turn on the car. Put into first gear, okay? And then,
Oh.
all right, and then you're gonna put your foot on the gas, slowly let off the clutch while gassing it. Slowly let it off. No, you're throttling it too hard.
I'm scared.
Just let go of the clutch slowly. Push the gas and let go. See, there you gotta work on the transition. You gotta be more smoother. All right, now brake in and clutch in. Brake, clutch in, clutch in, clutch in, clutch in. Clutch in first and then brake.
Okay.
And then put it into neutral. And then put it into gear first. All right. And then, so start letting go off the clutch. And then start gassing.
That could have been a stall, huh?
That could have been stalled, but you saved it. So clutch and brake. So lightly feather the throttle as you're getting off the clutch. You gotta go. So you gotta go higher on the clutch and then feather it.
But do you keep it on the clutch still?
No, never be in the middle. See, that's why you clutch it. That's why you stall it. You know.
They always say,
As soon as the car moves just even a little bit, you could let off the clutch. Just give it some throttle, but not too much throttle, or you're just gonna launch. There you go. Easy. Done. And then shift in second. See, you do that way too slow though. So you want to just.
But I'm still gonna use it.
Yeah, I know. So you're pretty much shifting as soon as you start clutching in, and then you just let go immediately and gas. What are you doing?
I'm trying to go.
What do you mean? You're in second gear, dude. What are you doing?
I thought you can go in second gear even if you're going slow.
No, it depends on how fast you're going. You gotta understand that. Because you never want the RPMs dropping to like less than 1500. In second gear, you have to be at least going like 15, 20, you know? But
Yeah.
you never want the RPM to drop or you're gonna stall. It was stuttering because you were literally way too low in the RPM in second gear. Okay? And then let go of the clutch, give it some gas, give it some gas, more gas, more gas, and then let go of the clutch and gas it. Put it into second. Clutch in second. Go faster than that. There you go. And then clutch in, brake, and then put into neutral. Okay.
Oh my god, that was the fucking scariest thing. It's like you have to think so much.
Well, obviously because you're learning it. You got the parking brake on, dum-dum.
Oh fuck, my bad, dude.
Got him.
What the fuck?
You didn't give it gas after you let go of the clutch.
And then I didn't even let go of the clutch all the way.
Yep.
This
Dude,
is seriously the hardest thing.
my girlfriend could drive better stick than you.
She drives a stick shift car. How long did it take for her?
Not longer than you. Got him. All right, come on, you got this, dude. It's easy. You're overthinking it. There you go. There you go. All right. Go a little faster and then put it second.
Oh shit.
See, you're so used. You're scared to like your clutch work is just like. See, you're just like scared, like you like kind of like push in and then like you just gotta be smooth with it, like start letting go of the clutch and give it some gas. Start letting go, give it some gas. All right, you're moving now. You can let go. There you go. Simple. That was it. And then go to second. Let go. See, you're holding the clutch in way too long. You should even need to. You're like holding it for like a good 5 seconds. Like your foot as it's going down your hand should be like about to pull down on and do it all at the same time.
What the fuck? I clutched in.
Well, that's because you didn't give you enough gas. So that's about like 10 times you already stalled.
I thought I was only gonna stall like 3 times.
There you go again. Give it some gas. Let go clutch.
Oh, okay.
Go to second. Clutch and shift. And you see, you're still holding it. I don't know why you're holding it. You're literally heavy footing it. You're literally just stomping on it and not letting go. Like your muscles won't let go of it. That's your only issue. Your first gear is fine now. Like you learned it. It's just you going into second gear is your only issue because you're just like so nervous that you don't know. You're just holding it. You're just holding it.
Stall in second.
You're not gonna stall in second. You just gotta shift.
Alright, well that was way harder than I expected. Thank you, Josh. I'm sorry for stalling your car so much.
It's all good.
Honestly, I thought he was gonna yell at me more. He was an actual teacher. Like he was really, really good. And I hope to master it someday, so maybe next car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not that crazy. I just really wanted to try to learn stick in front of all you guys. Just let you guys know it's not easy and you're gonna fuck up. And to all you guys that can drive stick, props to you. Holy shit, it's so hard. If you like this video or if you just wanna make fun of me, go to the comments, like the video, dislike the video, but wait for the next video. I'm pretty sure the next video is what you guys will be waiting for. Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. But in this case, I didn't look good and I didn't even feel good. See you in the next video. Honest opinion, how did I do?
Not bad. You got your first gear down.
So would you call me a bitch or not a bitch?
You're always a bitch, so it doesn't matter.
Got him!